My name is Bashu, aka my real name is Peace. Peace Love, because people always know the stage name. But my name is Peace Love. I'm Ndebele actually. That's my tribe. But I grew up in Mashingo. But my dad moved from Blawayo to Mashingo. So that's where Peace grew up learning. Then Bashupi, for it to become Bashupi, ndakatanga drama, music and dance. I used to work with Amakosi, the late Walter Mparutsa, Devs Guja, doing theatre, the late Max Ochirwa, Abakawanda, Vana Sabu Varazi. We're in the same different groups in Mashingo, but working together. That's where Babashup was born, but didn't act. Then when I moved to Harare, Cafe, that's when I met Choniso Maraire. Then I started calling myself Bashupi. Then Godo was born. That's where Babashup was born to be known in all over. Oh, the good thing is my dad was at church. And I was like, my dad used to play a flute and sing at church most of the time. And my mom used to sing in the choir of church. So me, I used to sit in the bench and admire my dad playing a flute in church or chimba na momza. Then I started having this thing of saying, I also want to be like my dad. Our parents are our pillars. So I started doing, I think when I was in Form 1, I joined the drama group and I started acting. That's when the talent in arts the interest was in. So I started doing acting, music and dance. Sangana na sabu kuvara zipi, lapeza Form 4, bana ziya cultural company, isiri karanga arts. The late Nuchiro na Rapsun Klanga, yedu, kuzo vana sabu kuvara zipi, wangana na chairman, wangaro mgroup rao. That's where Babashup was born. Then I moved to Harare after the place at Chukoro. They had let me go to Harare to pursue my career in acting. But funny enough, that's what I went to cafe with music. I started performing, that's when I met Choniso Maraire. That's when Bashup was born, because they my shows in Bashup. But I think I started performing at Choniso. I remember Jah Prayzah coming to ask me back then, can I open up for your shows? Kudara! You know what I mean? That's when I grew to be where I am today. Growing up, I used to watch Kuchikoro Kaya Yawa Nangwar Mapundu and playing guitar, and I would admire that. I used to see Oliver Mtukudzi. Then with time, I ended up having one arm, Bia Madui, Sekul Gora. Nice writer say, I used to be inspired, but I used to love music. My dad used to say, each time I see something on radio like Tuku or any other traditional, I used to dance and follow that. So from that, it inspired me to let me try into music. But I believe God had put a talent of the arts in me. But that was discovered. Now I drama, music and dance. So with that, I'm a dancer too. I do traditional mandebira, jesarema, mchongo, chinyambera. There's so many different dances in Zimbabwe. So I've learned them through the arts as well. I didn't go to school, but I've learned through watching and following. So that, I think that's what inspired me. And seeing also all this, then I go, oh yeah, so it used to catch me every time. So even at home, I'll be going, oh yeah, my mom used to beat me. It was going back the chinyakara, you know what I mean? Because being a Christian, you know what I mean? But it was something that was placed in me by God, I think. In the moon, I grade 1, Form 4. That's Form 4, I did not make it to go A level because my parents couldn't afford that time. Then I started pursuing my career. That's how everything came into play. Yes, because they know me, I always call myself an accountant because I joined the family accounting and I started working in bookkeeping. I ended up called an accountant because I was doing accounts from so another just not education degree. Okay. Yes, so I call myself an accountant because I worked for a company for 2 years being an accountant. Okay. Yes, this is not my paper. I go to Kwanzaa, my paper. I was an accountant. But if you ask me accounts today, I'm one person you should be shocked. Why didn't I go to school? But I didn't like just being, working for somebody like that. I've worked with the late Walter Mparutsa. They used to come and Napatsime, Vana Devs Guja. They used to come and bring projects. Vana Padare, they used to come and do my projects. Padare Men's Forum, and other different NGOs. We used to fight child abuse, women abuse, fighting for education for girls. There's so many things I've done. I've even done a short film. I've done with Amakosi as well. Amakosi used to broadcast. Then also coming to Harare, I was called here and there. You know how it is, the artist. I was married for 3 years, almost 3.5 years. But my marriage didn't work out. I had a white wedding actually. Proper white wedding. I was shocked when a family came to the wedding. before COVID, that time, I think we had almost like 500 people. I didn't know some of them. My family from my mom's side, my dad's side, my extended family, everybody came to the wedding. But also, when I got married, it didn't work out for 3.5 years. With things I cannot say on TV, I'm an artist. But I always say, if you live in a relationship and you're not happy to be in a relationship, don't force. Leave. The most important person who should be happy is you. When you see you're not happy in a relationship, do not pretend or force because there's so many people that are living in relationships. Abuse, younger, you know what I mean? And things, they're not happy together. Leave. Do not force. It's not for you. Right now, as happy as no man's business.
Okay.
Yes.
So people might want to know as in the issue.
I will not say. I always say what happens indoors. I don't want to speak on her behalf or on my behalf, but the only word I can say is it did not work out for us.
Okay.
So we decided to go separate ways.
Okay.
I bless saying whatever he's doing, and I also being a bachelor is fine.
Okay, so in that relationship, did you manage to have a child?
No, until one.
Okay.
Yes, I was preparing to have a child, but in the course of preparation, it did not work out. Because let's not have one now until we have A, B, C, D.
Okay.
Yes, then we broke up within those goals. So I'm still a bachelor with no child, and I'm proud to be one. My rock bottom moment is when I broke up with ex-wife. I went rock bottom because when you plan things with the one you love, you know what I mean, you plan for the future when you get married. But so when our marriage broke down, everything broke down. That personally, it affected me on the properties that we had. It also affected me as far as my music career is concerned because I went down. You break down as a man, you know what I mean? And I had to go through this divorce, and there's a lot of things and pressure that came through. So if you check, Baba Shupi went from hit songs and I went Z. And people thought I'd stop music. No, I didn't stop music. There's a lot of pane and not me. There's a time, this is how artists die and commit suicide and go into drugs. You know us by entertaining you guys, but no one has time with us to talk to me one-on-one, and also heal the pains and the troubles that I face. So I've gone through a lot where a couple of people and friends that have come to help me here and there, knowing the situation. But everyone I see, they want to see me happy Baba Shupi. But I've gone through situations. If I talk about them now, you'll cry if I tell you things I've gone through, where sometimes I have no food to eat. I had nowhere to stay. I was pushed to a point where I even thought of committing suicide. But you meet other people that meet you at that point and they help you. Because at the end of the day, don't forget, I'm also a human being. So I went through so many things. So I would include by saying career-wise, it also affected because I'm one person. I'm the same Bashupi, the same person of the same Bashupi in the music industry. So it affected my music side as well, to a point where I thought I should leave the music and go into be a korgoza or into mining. But the passion drives you to keep on doing what you do best. So I've taken my frustration into creating music that will take out a lot of things. But in my new album, there's a song, Inonzima Shoko. A lot of people are asking me, why did you leave your wife? You know, what has been happening? Tell us, even the media. But I've never wanted to speak about what is happening in my life. So I'm saying that was the down moment where even when people want to go boxia, and it's, my fans want to say about teaser, but my fans are loyal. They always ask you, and support you. But I think that's a bit downfall because when you become a celebrity and you go down, because there's a new talent that comes, and sure it's very good at new talent in Zimbabwe. But that new talent, so that moment is very hard, which I'm also praying with my other fellow dancehall artists. Fame, fall into that downfall. They must be strong because the downfall. Because now I'm going up from the downfall. They have to be careful. Because I know not offer.
So how did you manage to overcome this challenge?
Number one is God first. Because Genesis 1 verse 1, God, in the beginning, God created the heaven and earth. So when you wake up in the morning and pray, God, look after me. He will create your day. He will cover you. And number two, always associate, never, swallow your pride as an artist and tell them, things are hard for me. People will help you. The moment you want to keep on your pride, they say, swallow your pride and talk to people. Number three is always associate, regardless of where you are. Associate, humble yourself, approach people, tell them, and also know who to talk to. Cut off people that are not necessary in your life. Doesn't matter how you grew up together. I've learned to cut off a lot of people in my life. Why? Because some they pretend to be good friends, but you talk say. It's because some people come in your life because you're famous. Pandanda down on fame, a lot of people ran away. And you could see their character. So cut off people that not helping in life. And always know because you are not always the best in everything. Learn to get advice from other people so that you grow. Yes.